In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo slider in Shopify Sense theme. This is perfect for showcasing partner logos, brands you carry, or trust badges, and we'll do it the easiest way. No coding required. We'll use a logo slider or carousel app from the Shopify App Store. Apps like Logolicious, Logo Slider, or Shopee Slide handle the heavy lifting for you, creating a responsive, mobile-friendly carousel or grid with just a few clicks. Start by installing your preferred app from the Shopify App Store. From your Shopify admin, go to Apps, search for the app by name, and add it to your store. Follow the prompts to grant permissions. Once installed, open the app from your apps list so you're ready to load your content. Next, upload your logos. For the cleanest look, prepare PNG or SVG files with transparent backgrounds and try to keep them similar in height for a consistent row. Most apps let you upload multiple files at once, reorder them by dragging, and add alt text so screen readers can describe each logo. If your images are large, compress them first to help your site load quickly without losing quality. Now configure your slider settings. Choose whether you want a carousel that scrolls automatically or a simple grid. Turn on autoplay if you prefer motion, and set the speed so it's readable without feeling sluggish. Adjust the number of logos visible at once for desktop and mobile. Set spacing between items, and fine-tune logo size to ensure everything looks balanced. If you want each logo to link to a brand page or collection, add URLs and choose whether to open them in a new tab. Pay attention to background color or transparency so the logos have good contrast and are easy to see. When you're happy with the setup, enable or embed the slider in your theme. Open Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize on your Sense theme. In the theme editor, look for the App Embed toggle if your app requires it, and switch it on. Then add the Apps section to a page, such as your home page, and drag it into position. Many stores place it below the Hero section or above the footer. You can also add it to other templates if the app supports that. Save your changes. Finally, preview on desktop and mobile. Make sure the logos are crisp, the motion feels smooth, and the placement fits your layout. If anything looks off, return to the app's settings to adjust size, speed, or spacing until it matches your brand's style. And that's it. Your logo slider is live in the Sense theme.